So, good evening, everyone. This is David Panganoron from BSIT 3K, and tonight I'm going to demonstrate on how to install Laravel. So, this video is a guide on how to install Laravel step by step. So, in installing Laravel, you need three apps or three applications. So, the first one is SAMP. Second one is Composer, and the third one is Laravel. So I'm going to show you guys what applications or what apps I did install. So here, let's open our Chrome. Just type Composer. The first one that will show this one. This is the one that you guys need to install. The second one is Node. So just type Node.js, and the first one that appears, this one guys, just install these two, this one. And lastly is the sump. So just type sump here, sump, there, click this one guys, just install it too. So I already have all these apps, so I'll just show you guys. So this one is the sump, and let's type this. I'll show you the version of the apps that I installed. So Poser, okay, this one. As you can see, I already installed Composer. This is the version. Next is the Node V. There, it's already there. So now let's proceed on how to install Laravel step by step. So first is let's go on our htdocs. So the htdocs is this is where the sump is, guys. The htdocs one. That's why we needed to install that. So type cd e and sump htdoc and press enter. Now that we're inside the sump or the htdocs file, now we're going to create here the Laravel or the example application where we're going to install the Laravel. So let's type composer, create project, create dash project, Laravel, 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 sample dash up. So there, as you can see guys, it's already installing. So let's just wait patiently. It may take 2 to 3 minutes, but sometimes it can take up to 5 minutes. So let's just patiently wait. Sometimes pala guys, there's an error on installing this. So I'll going to show you later how to fix that. It's about extracting, I think. I'll show you guys later. It's in the sump din lang, sa file din lang ng sump. So let's just wait for this to install. There. Let's just wait. Alright, so there you go guys. It's already installed. But sometimes this won't go as planned, such as this. So sometimes there are error that can happen. So I'll show you guys one of the way to fix it. This is one of the error that I encountered too. So go here, find your file explorer and go here. Just go directly to the this one, and find php.ini, php.ini, php.ini. Just type it, guys. And in this file, you guys need to edit something. Let's just wait. This one. The one with the settings icon. So you guys need to configure it. So this one, the extension. As you can see, guys, there's no semicolon on this part. So I removed it. I removed it. This one. It was like this before. So I mean. And I removed it. So after you guys remove it, for example, then you need to proceed to your SAM. So the changes can be applied. So just start these two. Then after starting that two, then you're good to go. Try try installing the Laravel again. So now let's proceed on our next step. So now that the error is fixed, then and the Laravel has been or the file has been successfully created. Now let's go on the file that we created. So we named it example app. So let's go inside that one. And after that, now that we're inside it, let's just type PHP artisan serve. And there you have it here. Just put your mouse here, click control and left click. And there you go, guys. Laravel has been successfully installed. So that's all for today, and thank you for watching.